contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring, from the Jersey Shore, weighing 248 pounds, Diamond Dallas Page.
Oh, the WWE Universe letting them hear it.
And approaching the ring, from Toronto, Canada, Snake!
Oh, the WWE Universe letting them hear it!
There's no telling what these competitors will do in Extreme Rules, but I can guarantee we're about to find out.
That's a move that'll knock you out cold. Look out! Headbutt! Oh, man! What an STO. You know, Diamond Dallas Page started competing in the ring when he was 35 years old. I know guys who are winding down their careers at 35, but DDP was just getting started. It's amazing how much time he made up in such a short period of time. Oh, ow!
And another ground-shaking suplex.
Oh, look at the emotion. Watch it. Ooh. Oh, out of nowhere.
And a monster with tremendous power.
What a beast the monster's been so far.
Before kicking his in-ring career off at 35 years of age, DDP was an accomplished manager, starting his career in Minnesota and Vern Gagne's AWA. Among the greats that he went on to manage, the Fabulous Freebirds, Scott Hall, Kevin Nash, and Kurt Hennig, to name a few.
Those are great names, Cole, but DDP's managerial days are really just a footnote when you look at the entirety of his career. I mean, here's a guy who went on to become one of WCW's most recognizable faces and captured their World Heavyweight Championship on multiple occasions. Relentless.
Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here.
He was able to reverse that.
Great reversal. No, he kicks out at 2.5. Nicely avoided there.
And here's Diamond Dallas Page.
I don't know what's going to happen here.
And what a reversal from Diamond Dallas Page.
What a reversal. No, he kicks out at 2. And he reversed it.
Good move there. He was able to reverse it and get out of that. Ah! Oh, my gosh! Uh-oh! Big move coming!
Look at this. This could be it. What the? That's his opponent's finishing maneuver.
Uh-oh, look at this! Wow! Stealing your opponent's finishing move definitely sends a message.
And will this be it? 2, 3. Whether you like it or not, there's the match right there.